Maraming salamat po. Ingat po tayo lahat.
And of course, so we welcome our Olympic legends, Carlos Miguel and Miguel. We have invited our distinguished guests to join us here on stage. First Vice President and Head of Middleware Rice and Malt, Ray Ambrose. Olympic gold medalist. So it is with great pride and admiration that we present to you this replica of Venice Grand Canal's iconic gondola. A symbol of your first gondola ride, a token of appreciation for all that you've accomplished, and a memento of your homecoming. From all of us at Community Hill, welcome home. Let's take a quick photo. All cameras are at the front. Quick photo up here, there are cameras on the front. Contribution to this historic triumph, we present you these one-of-a-kind textured art portraits with Kaloy. May these be a reminder of the and the highs of those that led your team to the history books. Makikinil salutes you. A quick photo op as well, again, right in front. Inspiration and joy as you've inspired all of us with your remarkable talent and dedication. Congratulations once again, Kaloy. Here's to a bright future ahead, both in your new home and beyond. Make some noise, everyone! We're very grateful to all of you here on our stage for your presence for today, and everybody here who joined us at the King Hill Venice Grand Canal. Thank you so much, and we would love to officially welcome Carlos Miguel.
Akawin pa yan ang isa, di ba?
We can wait to see him around. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for our champion! Heartfelt thanks to everybody here who came out. Thank you so much for your energy. Thank you so much for staying here with us and for joining us in celebrating this special homecoming. To our special guests, please join us back at the gondolas and to the dock. And we would like to thank the following sponsors for making this event possible. And for the